How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting frequently on Mac. If your Mac's Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, dropping the connection, or reconnecting frequently, here's how to fix it. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner. Next, open System Settings. Click Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and check that you're connected to the correct network. If you're connected but the Wi-Fi keeps dropping, click Details next to your Wi-Fi network. Now, choose Forget this network and confirm. After that, connect to the same Wi-Fi network again and enter the password. If the problem continues, go back to System Settings. Click General, then select Software Update. Install any available macOS update, since updates can include fixes for Wi-Fi and networking problems. Next, restart your Mac and restart your Wi-Fi router. If other devices are also disconnecting from the same network, the problem may be with your router or internet connection, rather than your Mac. If the problem only happens on your Mac, open System Settings, click Wi-Fi, and use the available Wi-Fi diagnostics options if your macOS version provides them. Finally, try connecting your Mac to another Wi-Fi network, such as a phone hotspot. If the connection stays stable there, your original Wi-Fi network or router may be the cause. And that's it. These are some simple ways to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting frequently on your Mac. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.